Hello students and welcome to Top Scholars. Students, today we'll be talking about another very interesting topic, that is preserving food and food safety. So let us begin first with food protection. Simply stating it, students, what is food protection? It is the prevention of food spoilage by microbial growth, like growth of bacteria or fungi, and also preventing infestation by pests like rats, mosquitoes, flies, cockroaches, etc. So students, certain additives are added to the food, which is basically a substance which is intentionally added to preserve the flavor as well as to improve the taste. For example, you all must have heard about Ajinomoto, which is used as an additive in various kinds of packed food items as well as in Chinese food. Also students, certain examples of additives are preservatives, coloring agents, sweetening agents, etc. Moving on, the next example is of something called as a sequestrant. Student, this is something which is new. What is a sequestrant? It is a chemical which prevents the oxidation of fats. Also students, it forms a complex ion with metals like iron, copper, and also students, it triggers auto-oxidation. Thereby, it prevents the food from reacting with oxygen and avoids rancidity. So students, you may not have heard of sequestrants, but remember they are used in a wide variety of food items. Moving on students, let us now take a look at various preservatives which are used for food spoilage. Now, there are certain methods. For example, the first one is freezing. Now take a look at this beautiful image right above me. What you see here is the freezing of various meat products like fishes, chicken, etc. Now students, this freezing is done because it slows down the biological reactions. And what do I mean by biological reaction? These are basically anabolism and catabolism, which slows down when the food item is freezed. Also students, this particular method is mainly used in the meat industry as an excellent preservative method. Moving on, another example of food preservation is irradiation, wherein certain rays, for example X-rays, gamma rays, are used to destroy the microbes and insects which may attack the food. And by this way, it increases the shelf life of various food items. Another example is the use of inert gases. Students, we all enjoy eating packed wafers and chips. But it may surprise you that these chips have been added into a pack having nitrogen gas. Students, the nitrogen gas keeps the food items very fresh, and it also prevents the growth of various types of fungi. Also, certain chemical preservatives are added which increases the shelf life of food and prevents their spoilage.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.